I'm Mr. Llama, and I got a birthday gift. I mean, not a birthday, Christmas gift.
那是什么呢
It's an iPad, and I also got a case.
？OK， 那我们来打开吧。
Okay.
这是 iPad Pro 是吧
Yes,
？iPad Pro 12。
I'm gonna get scissors. My brother has one, but this one's mine.
OK，
Let's open it. Oops. Okay, let's slide it open. This kind is so hard to open.
哦。Open 是打开。
Open.
I
got it open, but
什么颜色的？
it's silver.
银色的。
Ta-da! Now let's rip it off because this is so fun.
OK， 好，我们现在来打开吧。
And we also have the instruction manual.
Instruction 是说明书。
We have the charger.
这个是电源线。
I'm gonna take this off the charger. Oh, it's so shiny. Okay. Now let's open the case.
我们有一个那个外盒，有个外壳子 case。
This is open. Okay, oops. So we have this little thing.
上面写的什么？
And then ta-da! So
上面写的什么呀？
Oh, it says making a case for it since 2010. I want to thank you for choosing us. At Sugu, we're a small but mighty team of family and friends. Every day we strive for excellence in every case design because everyone deserves the opportunity to unlock the full potential in their iPad. So no matter what you do with your Zugo case, So this is the sign it gives you, and this is the signature of the CEO.
Oh, really? 好吧。
Now let's open this. Okay, you know I'm gonna rip it. I don't care. Ripping.
哦，粉红色的。
Yeah.
哦，跟你的衣服很 match。哦，好漂亮的那个外壳。外壳叫什么
How do I open it?
？Case 就是外壳。
Wait, how do I open?
有笔吗
I get to steal Justin's because he never uses it.
？OK。
But how do I open this? Oh wait, here.
好，把 iPad 放到里面就可以了。
It has these really cool design on it. Okay, where's this? Smack it in. Wait, where do you put the oh. Where can it go in? Go in. How does this get in?
把它放进去。
Actually, no. How does this get in? So I got it in. Oops. Okay, let's turn it on. Is it not turning on? Does it need to charge? Oh, it doesn't. Never mind. Okay, so we just have to wait for this to load.
好，那我们今天要学什么嘞
Okay, let me pull it up on my.
？OK， 已经打开了。好，你现在要进来新到电脑要做什么？哦，会中文、英文。Hello， 哦，他会说中文嘞，他怎么知道你？
They're just saying
这个
hello.
是 Korean， 这个是日文。
They're saying hello to in every language. I'm pretty sure.
就是 say hello，say hi， 用各
Region of
种语
states.
言。
I'm in the United States.
现在是在什么呢
Oh, I need internet.
？OK， 那你先去 Internet 吧，先把那
I
个
think it's this one.
网络先连上。
Is it this internet? Now I can do the setup. So it says I need Face ID, so I'm gonna turn around and do it. Real quick.
现在用。
Okay, so I finally used the setup because it was kind of hard, but I downloaded a few games. So I basically just do the games I make my videos with.
很难 set up 吗？
Not really, but I just couldn't connect it to the Apple Cloud thingy.
如果你有已经有苹果账户的话，那你就直接连在上面。
This is my brother's, so I just
打开看一下。好，你写的中文在哪里
？Okay, it is on here.
所以现在有2个 iPad Pro 了吗
Yep. I have to wait for it to load real quick though. Okay.
哇哦，好，看一下现在学的写什么
First we have iPad.
iPad 是平板电脑
And then we have silver, since it's a silver iPad, but you can't really see because
silver 是银色的
Yes. And then we have pen.
pen 是笔
Can't really find mine right now. Okay, so the first word is iPad. 平板电脑
iPad 平板电脑
And we have silver. 银色
silver 是银色
my iPad is silver.
哈
We have pen.
pen 是笔
We have apple. 苹果 We have case. 外壳
外壳
And then we have pink. 粉色
粉红色什么？你的衣服是什么颜色
pink.
好，那我们
Okay, so when you set up, you'll see this, and then there's Apple Store, so you can get like different. Okay, so this is how our iPad works. We have FaceTime here, and in settings, these are all your stuff. You can see your password, your email. Okay, so when you come out with your new iPad, so this is what you want to do. You want to go to settings, and then you want to do your Face ID. You want to do Siri, you want to do your password, and you have to input an email. It's kind of complicated, so I'm going to show you. Not really, but it's still a lot of things. I'm going to show you how. So then after you've done all that setting stuff, you can download apps, and then you can just do whatever you want on your iPad.
所以就是非常简单，是不是
Yeah.
OK 好，那你那我们还要做什么？充电吗
Oh yeah. Okay, so we still need to open the chargers.
Charger 是电源线吗
Yeah. So, yeah. Apple made it so it's really easy to open it, so there's like not a lot of tape and that stuff. So this is the charger. Looks pretty normal. And now we have a backup one if one of our breaks. But it's really easy. You just plug it in right here, and you plug this in somewhere.
OK 好
So, thanks for watching. Subscribe and like to see more of our videos, and we'll see you next time. Bye! Okay, so first word we have is iPad.
iPad 是什么
Why can't I underline?
然后呢中文是什么
Wait, 电脑
平板电脑也是苹果的平板电脑
Yes, silver.
看不见啦 silver
That one.
No